Your project deserves the right partner. So, how do you find one? At Goodfirms, we make it easy to find fully vetted businesses backed by real client feedback and detailed company insights. Here's how you can find the right company for your next big idea. Right here, you can browse popular service categories, or if you already know what you're looking for, just type it out into our search bar over here. Add your preferred location and click here. You will land on a listing page tailored to your search. Here, you will see the total number of companies offering the service and the last updated date for rankings so you know the info is current. Coming to the list of companies, you can see some key details at a glance like year of establishment, company size, hourly rate, and most importantly, the focus percentage of a selected service. Looking for something specific? Use our filters. You can filter companies by industry expertise, client reviews, hourly rate, type of services, and locations. Click on View Profile to explore a company's Goodfirms profile. Each profile gives you a clear snapshot of the company, including an overview with key details and a short business description. Next, we move to the focus area section. This is where the real insights begin. You will find a breakdown of service categories, a percentage distribution showing how much they focus on each service, and a detailed sub-services under each major category. Hover over the pie chart or the list of sub-service names to highlight exactly where the company shines. For example, under artificial intelligence, you might see specialties like deep learning and machine learning, each with its own focus percentage. The focus area section gives you a crystal clear view of where the company's real strength lies. Moving on, you can see industry focus, showing what industries the company serves best, and client focus, showing whether the company typically works with startups, SMBs, or enterprises. Next, scroll to the reviews section for unfiltered insights from real clients. The review analytics panel shows total number of reviews, overall ratings, and recent review activity. You will also find pros and cons summarized at a glance and filters to help you sort reviews by category, ratings, relevancy, and recency. Want to dig deeper? Just click Show Full Review to read the full client experience. Now let's check out the portfolio section. Here, you will get a preview of past projects including project industry, cost estimates, and project timelines. Head on over here and click on any project to dive right into the full case study. Then scroll to the interview section where Goodfirms sits down with company leadership. These interviews offer a first-hand look into the company's vision, work culture, and approach to success. Still not sure which company is the right fit? We've got you covered. Just click on Get a Personalized Shortlist and fill out the quick form with your project requirements. Our experts will handpick the best companies for your needs. It's quick, tailored to your needs, and completely free. So you can skip the guesswork and get matched with top performing companies. Once you've found a company that feels like the right fit, simply click on Visit Website and head straight to the website to start the conversation. With Goodfirms, finding a reliable, high-performing partner for your next project is just a few clicks away. And if you ever have any questions, we are always here to help you make the best decision for your business. Start your search today at Goodfirms, and let us help you find the perfect match for your project. Happy hunting!